We will be discussing how to clear check install on your submeter. Let's diagnose how to troubleshoot and diagnose your current sensor installation when you are seeing check install on your class 1000 series and 2000 series meter. For current sensor installation, the line and the load must match the phase correspondence. What this means is the current sensors are checking the sine waves of power on the A, B, and C circuit. So these must match between the CT sensors or the current sensors and the line voltage power. If you are trying to monitor the incorrect phase, it will say check install. For current sensor installation, we want to make sure that when looking from the source side of the conductor being monitored, you should see the arrow on the current sensor assembly. If the arrow is not on the source or the line side, inaccurate readings may result and you may be seeing check install due to reverse polarity. For troubleshooting current sensor polarity, the first thing you'll need to do is you'll be removing some of the current sensors. Keep in mind, the current sensors are 1 to 3 volts AC. You can certainly remove them when the meter is live. Before you do this, you want to verify that all phases are loaded by at least 2% of the meter rated amperage. Test the CT sensor wires one pair at a time. You're going to want to disconnect the gray current sensor plugs for B and C phase inputs. With only the A current sensor wires connected, verify that there is no longer an error LED light. If the error LED is clear, then the A current sensor input leads polarity are correct. You will need to repeat this for both B and C phase inputs for the current sensors. If at any time this did not clear your error LED, you're going to want to disconnect the gray plug for the phase causing the error. Change the black and white connections. This will actually change the polarity of your current sensor. Repeat this for all the phases until the error has cleared. You can troubleshoot one phase at a time and remove and label once you clear the error. Also, verify you have the current sensors on the proper circuits. You can also remove B and C, move the A current sensor over to B, check the error LED. If it's cleared, that means that the A current sensor was actually supposed to be on the B location. And then keep doing this for C and A as well. Again, you can repeat this for B and C phase inputs. Please follow us at HoneywellDiscoveryTraining.com for more how-to videos.